Hello! This Xiaomi M365 folding mechanism got a lot of stress while riding, especially when scooter is riding at very rough and bumpy roads. Original parts can hold continuous overloads and eventually one of the parts will break. Most of the time, the weakest part is this locking latch. I saw a lot of people complaining about this latch issue, so I decided to change mine just now. The least I wanted that my handlebar will unlock while I'm at full speed. I will replace it with this reinforced, third-party made latch from high-strength class aluminum. This is not sponsored video, I bought it for 25 euros, what is quite low price to protect against possible accidents and injuries. If you'll be interested, I'll leave a link in video description to this product. Replace procedure is quite simple. First, unscrew Allen screw. Next, prepare some sturdy support under the scooter hinge, near locking latch pin. Any scrap wood piece will work just fine. Now is needed to hammer all axes out. This axis isn't in the best condition and already have a lot of play. I use this roll pin punch and hammer to remove old pin. The direction is important too. It is needed to hit pin from the right scooter side to the left by looking from the riding perspective. Let's compare side by side how thicker and potentially stronger replacement is. What's great with this latch set? It is very easy to install. All you need is to unscrew Allen screw, put latch in place, insert new pin from the left scooter side to the right, opposite an old pin was removed, and screw Allen screw back. Now with the new pin, there left no play, what is really good. And what's left? To screw back Allen screw and adjust locking mechanism. Do not over tighten it, but do not make it too loose either. Try to find the sweet spot where it locks nicely and have no play in the hinge. One more time, new latch versus old one. Now I'm totally confident that this latch will hold. I hope this video was helpful. If you are first time here, please hit that subscribe button for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.